Okay, Mom, pretend like you're putting a phone to your ear. Wait, why you doing it? You're a boomer.
I'm Gen Z, bitch.
It's been 3 years since I chose not to have sex. You know?
Are you sure it's a choice?
What do you mean? Mom, what would you say if I told you I got a girl pregnant?
Possible, because the girl will make you pregnant because you're a boto.
Ma, will you punch your daughter for $1 million?
I will do it for Nutella. Is your daddy's favorite? I remember the way he eats me.
Oh.
The food, I mean. The food. Apple! 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 Your mom!
What about me?
You're not included.